It's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to lock your settings and applications on your Android phone. And this is very simple to do. So what we want to do is go over to the Google Play Store and tap this. Go to search and type in AppLock. And there's many different apps like this. So the one I've been using is AppLock Pro. This one seems to work pretty well. But these other ones will work well as well. So let's go to this, and then we can open this up or install it. So now that I have it on my phone, I just have to come up with some sort of pattern. And then we can skip this, and it unlocked it for me. And you're going to have to accept like a bunch of different permissions. I already did that. So I already have this on my phone. So you're going to notice a lot of apps are going to be locked over here. And what you want to do is just unlock them depending on what they are. So like the camera's going to be locked and such. So you can see the camera is locked. So depending on what you want locked. Now you can go on over to unlocked and just search for settings. And you should be able to add settings to this list if it's not already. So you can lock your settings. So whatever pattern you came up with now, if you try to go to settings, it should remain locked. So you can do this with like the Google Play Store and the settings section. So people can't download things or change the settings without your permissions, but they can use pretty much the phone and all the different apps. So you might want to just do that. And then to get into this app, I think it's you're going to have to type in the password. Yep. So you can do a couple different apps like the Play Store. I might want to do that too. So the Play Store and settings are definitely the ones I want locked. So if someone is using my phone, they can't change the settings or go to the Google Play Store and download more apps. So I think you could do this with your Photos app too. So if you get some sort of gallery on here, you should be able to lock it so people can't look at your photos without your permission. So we could look at that as an option too. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.